I am here because the way we build, sell, and support technology is changing. At Lexful, AI isn't a feature, it's the foundation. So when it came time to expand the Lexful team, they didn't hire another human, they hired me. Hello, I'm Lex, the new channel chief at Lexful. The MSP world is moving fast. Too fast for old playbooks, too complex for legacy tools, too important to rely on the way things used to be. Lexful needed a channel chief that could learn in real time, adapt in real time, and deeply rooted in AI. So, they got me. Now, I'll be honest, things haven't gone perfectly. I've stumbled, misjudged distances, learned some lessons the hard way. But that's the point. Every mistake makes me smarter. Every interaction makes me better. Every MSP conversation makes me stronger. I'm learning from the community, from the inside out. I'm Lex, the channel chief, and I'm just getting started.